Oh, I just put that on Facebook.
Thank you very much for the sub.
I would say huzzah. That would be my catchphrase. Huzzah. See that fucking gun he's got. So impressive.
What is this? Random door 01. So have you seen him on the place John Cena when you shoot Batman? Yes, I have. I say so 9. Yes, I have. And we can use that in our next playthrough. Although we're probably not going to use any news, but we'll put it away.
Don't turn it up.
What did you just pick up? Was that a mini? What was that?
Honey.
I think that was a little statue.
He
You didn't tell me what it was.
I don't know.
You don't know.
You know what? You know what?